Robinhood versus Webull. Which is better for you? Hey guys, my name is Ken, here to talk everything about personal finance and investments. And in this video today, we're gonna review the most popular trading apps, Robinhood and Webull, to decide which one is better for you. It depends not only on what the broker offers, but also what features you need. So here's how these apps compare on some of the most common features. Before we go, just trade the like button and invest in subscription to the channel. You can also support the channel, all the links are down in the description. Robinhood and Webull are two of the most popular investing apps, and millions of users have flocked to them for their ability to quickly trade and track stocks, options, and cryptocurrency. For those looking for another broker in the wake of the GameStop short squeeze, Webull competes favorably with Robinhood in a number of key areas, if not beating its rival. Robinhood is great for no-cost trading, a sleek mobile app, and fractional shares, while Webull has useful charts, better customer support, and still gets the trading job done with no commissions. Now let's dive into some of the features and start with cost. Robinhood was one of the first investing apps that kicked off the no-cost trading frenzy for stocks, ETFs, and options, and then added cryptocurrency trading to the mix too. But recently, an able competitor has emerged in Webull, which offers many of the same no-cost trading features. While most online brokers not allow zero commissions trading of stocks and ETFs too, Robinhood and Webull offer that, and no-cost trading for options, a real differentiator. That compares to the industry standard of $0.65 per contract, though some brokers offer discounts for high-volume traders. Both brokers offer cryptocurrency trading with no out-of-pocket costs, though you'll implicitly pay a spread markup on any transactions, so it's more like the costs are hidden in the trading price. Of course, there's nothing uncommon in this pricing structure, as it's typical in forex markets. Generally, both brokers are comparable in terms of account costs with no activity fees or ongoing account fees. Both do charge a $75 transfer out fee, while some big brokers such as Fidelity Investments charge nothing, so you won't notice this fee until you are ready to leave either Robinhood or Webull and need to move securities out of your account. Now let's talk about account minimums. Neither Robinhood nor Webull has an account minimum, so investors of all wealth levels can get started immediately. Actually, no account minimum is a top feature of the best brokers for beginners. What about tradable securities? Robinhood and Webull cater to the most popular trading categories, meaning that they don't offer some other securities that are usually offered at other brokers, forex, bonds, and mutual funds, for example. Instead, these investing apps stick to stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. That's a clear downside for traders looking to get involved in some of these other fast-paced sectors of the market. But the vast majority of investors won't need those sectors to amaze a comfortable nest egg. So this narrowed selection will work well for most investors. That said, a clear negative is that neither Robinhood nor Webull offers trading in mutual funds, which may not be a deal breaker if you are only choosing these brokers for short-term trading, but investors looking for mutual funds will want to turn to a top broker with an offering in that area. Next one to review is account types. Robinhood and Webull both have a restricted set of account types. Robinhood offers only an individual taxable account, while Webull offers that and just a bit more, allowing clients to set up IRAs, including a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or rollover IRA. So if your financial needs expand, you likely need one of the bigger brokers that offers a comprehensive set of accounts. Next cool thing that I like the most is about fractional shares. Robinhood is a great pick if you need fractional shares. The broker allows you to reinvest dividends in stock and invest directly in stock with fractional ownership. The combination is not something that many large brokerages such as E-Trade or Merrill Edge offer, though each of these latter brokerages permit dividend reinvestment. Robinhood lets you invest with as little as $1, and it can divide stock into chunks as little as 1/1,000,000th of a share. Robinhood allows partial shares in all but the smallest stocks and those trading below $1 per share. So Robinhood sits among the best brokers for fractional shares. In contrast, Webull doesn't offer either dividend reinvestment or fractional share purchases. Next feature is also one of the important ones. This is about customer support. Webull opens up some distance on Robinhood in the category of customer support. The broker is available by phone and email 24/7 and answers questions via in-app chat. It also has an online help center for more routine questions. Robinhood has more limited customer support options, and it's really difficult to find its service number. You might be stuck emailing customer support, trying out the broker's help page, or consulting with its sometimes helpful chatbot. Neither investing app has any physical branches for customers who need in-person support. Well, it's okay for online brokers though. And here are some other factors. Both Webull and Robinhood offer one of the easiest bonus promotions to achieve, even if it ends up being a modest freebie. Each of them gives away a free share or two of stock, including some of the market's pricier stocks, even if you are likely to receive a share trading for a few bucks. Still, you won't have to pony up big bucks for a promotion, as you probably will at the larger brokers, even if you are guaranteed to get a bigger payday there. Robinhood and Webull both offer instant funding of accounts, allowing you to get an initial credit of up to $1,000 as the broker awaits your bank transfer to arrive. If you subscribe to Robinhood Gold, the broker's $5 per month premium program, you'll receive higher instant transfer amounts, as well as the ability to trade on margin at just a 2.5% rate among the industry's cheapest, and access to Morningstar's stock research. While Webull offers only limited research, it provides a nice suite of charting tools and a few dozen technical indicators. Even if you don't use these tools much or at all, it's an impressive visual experience. Plus, you can hone your trading chops with a paper money account that gives you $1 million in virtual cash and lets you run wild on the trading platform. Webull doesn't charge for access to a margin account and offers a sliding scale on rates that goes as low as 4%. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Robinhood gets hit from time to time with service outages, especially during periods of intense market activity. This level of unreliability may be a turnoff to traders who need to jump into the market to make a trade at a specific time. Robinhood and Webull run a dead heat in so many categories that it can be tough to call a winner. If you are looking for an easy-to-use investing app, either of them will do nicely, though Webull's charting apps really do add a nice advantage. So your needs are likely to be the deciding factor in which is better. If you need sleek charting and a paper trading account, then Webull may be your choice. And if you need low-cost margin or fractional share trading, you might choose Robinhood. That said, opening multiple brokerage accounts can have some key benefits too. So I would recommend using both. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite app. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.